That's a beast. That's a beast. Oh yeah. Trying to go to mangroves, but gentlemen, this is Connor, your YouTube fisherman, back here on my Old Town AutoPilot 120, powered by Minn Kota, my fishing kayak, the best kayak in the world. Tried to catch some snook or redfish today. Today I'm very excited to use my new rod and reel combo. I got the Daiwa Fuego 2500. That's the reel, and I got my Penn Prevail 2. That's the medium light fast action, and I paired it with 10-pound braid, and I got 20-pound mono with the paddle tail slam shady. That's the pink color. So I'm very excited to see how the action works. All right, man, I love this. Early in the morning with nature. Look at this, guys, amazing. But that's what we're gonna be using. And then I got some powered prawn as well in the back. We're gonna use that. A bunch of other options we have, so we're gonna try. Just hit these. Oh yeah, that's a nice smooth cast too. Slow jig. Ah, this is beautiful. Wow. Oh, first fish of the day. First fish of the day. And we got our redfish. We are not quitting. Guys, that's it. Baby. Yes. Yes, baby. Daiwa Fuego 2500, 10-pound braid. 20-pound mono, slam shady. Oh man, gotta love it. Gotta love it, guys. Easy, easy, easy. Yes. Nice redfish. Beautiful. One spot here, one spot there. Top of the mouth. Here we go. That's slam shady. Guys. Yes, baby. Gotta love this feeling. The back, beautiful, beautiful redfish early in the morning. Yes, we're not quitting. Sorry, guys, I'm not quitting. Let's see what we got. We got 15-inch, exactly. 15-inch. I love it, guys. I love it. Yes, we'll let him go. That's it. Challenge yourself, baby. Challenge yourself right here. I love this. We got our redfish. We're gonna let him go. Keep on fishing. Yeah, buddy. Gotta have Wawa. Cheers, everybody. Little baby Snooky. Look at that, guys. Oh yes, I'm telling you. Oh, there it is. I love it. Yeah, I'll take it. It's a snook. I said redfish and snook, or snook, and I got both. Guys, this is incredible. I tell you, I got the snook as well. I complete my challenge. Yes, keep on fishing, baby. Oh, SportsBlok. Oh yeah, that's a big one. That's a nice snook. Right on the mangroves. Oh. Oh baby, oh baby. Gotta love this, guys. Oh no, it's a big redfish. Big redfish. Yes. Easy. Easy, baby. Oh no, 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 don't go there. Don't go there. No, 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 no. Oh yes. Oh, oh, oh. Yes. Yes, baby. That's a nice red. Yes. Yes. Oh. Okay, easy, easy, easy. Getting tired. Oh my God, guys. I love this. Easy. Easy. Easy, baby. Easy. I got you. I got you. I got you. Oh! Yes, baby. Slam shady. Oh! Oh, yes. That is a stud muffin right there. I gotta love it, guys. Gotta love it when the plan works. I had to challenge myself, study, search, do all that stuff, and it paid off right on the side of the mouth. That's a nice hook set too. Look at that. Yeah. Beautiful red drum, baby. Oh, that slam shade, the pink. Gotta love it. Gotta love it, guys. Oh man, this is what's all about. Look at this, guys. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. This is a beautiful, beautiful redfish. Nice drum. One spot there, two spot, exactly, almost identical. Let's measure him real quick. Love it, love it. We got exactly 25 and a 3/4, so almost 26-inch redfish. I love it, man. Yes, baby. And it is, I tell you, what is it? Man, I can't even tell. I don't know how many pounds. What is that, 7 pound, 8 pound? I think more than that. But here it is, guys. Again, beautiful, beautiful redfish. We did it, baby. Put him in the water. We don't want to stress him. There you go. He's live and kicking. Take a picture, and we're gonna let this beautiful fish go. Wow. Look at this, guys. Yes, baby. What a morning, ladies and gentlemen. Incredible 26-inch red drum redfish. What a fight. I love this new combo. Oh my God, guys. Light tackle, Daiwa Fuego 2500, pair with the Pan Prevail 2. That's the medium light, fast action, 7.4. Incredible. I mean, I'm telling you, you could cast all day and not get tired. And 10-pound braid, 20-pound mono, it's just perfectly enough. As long as you get your drag right, it's amazing. Little tug war, you don't want to get it too tight, too loose, and boom, there it is, 26-inch red drum on, and we're in the kayak, man. Mullets are jumping all over. Going to my next spot and hoping for a grand slam. Maybe we'll get a nice trout, speckled trout, maybe gator trout. Let's see. I have a couple spots for that. I'm gonna throw with the slam shady and the water shrimp. It really works. So I'm gonna throw with both on both sides of the kayak. I have the YakAttack rod holders right there, vertical, horizontal. You could adjust them. So here's my next spot. I'm gonna work the mangrovers, hoping for another snook or redfish. Let's go, baby. I gotta love this, man. Gotta love this. We're not quitting fishing. Yeah, baby. Oh, baby, fish on. Guys, this is unbelievable. Another red. Spotlock, slam shady, pink. Oh man, guys, this is incredible. Easy, easy, easy. Oh man. Guys, wow, another beautiful, beautiful fish. Look at that. Wow, this is crazy, guys. Okay, say there we go. Right on the side of mouth. Whoop. Easy, easy, easy. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you go. Wow, guys. There we go. Wow. Here we go. Nice. Here he goes. Slam shady pink. Another beautiful redfish. Nice. Look at that blue tail. Beautiful blue tail. Two spotted again. Put the net back. Just measure for a second. Alright, we got, this one is 16 and a half. 16 and a half. Exactly. Nice. Guys, this is what it's all about. We're gonna take a nice picture again. And oh, never mind, let him go. Yes, baby. We are not quitting fishing, baby. You know, I love this. I really wanted to challenge myself. I've been wanted to catch redfish, snook, and I catch trout all the time, but redfish and snook, this is the perfect time, right after summer, when the fall starts, the temperatures go down a little bit, and they're all over on the flats, mangrovers. See right here, for example, it's right on the edge. When you turn around the corner of the mangrover, that's where they stack up, and they're predators, so they're waiting for the bait fish to come in. The current moving this way towards me, so they're kind of waiting right there, ambush point, and they hit the bait. So as they come in, you just gotta know, you just gotta study, you gotta learn. That's what I do. When I first started this channel, I had no idea. I still don't know so many things, but I watch videos just like you do. I learn, I study, I go to the internet, I talk to my friends. So I really appreciate everybody helping me out along the way. It definitely helps. Even the tackle, the reel, the rod, everything they use, the line, it makes a huge difference on the target fish that you're targeting, the species that you're targeting. It's amazing. And when everything comes together, works, gotta love it, guys, gotta love it. But let's see, we're catching fish, we're catching what we want to catch, redfish, snook. Let's see if we can catch some more, hopefully get another trout, and we do a grand slam. So let's see how it goes. And still, it's only 10 o'clock. What do we got? What do we have? Oh, I just got off whatever it was. I think it was a redfish again. Oh man, I love it. I'm just working the mangroves right here. Wow, what a day, guys, what a day. Non-stop action, gotta love it. That's also the trick. I go parallel to the mangroves and I get really close with 1.6, 1.7 miles an hour and twitching the Slam Shady, and that really attracts redfish, snook, jacks, trout. As you saw just then, got that redfish again. It was small, but still. I gotta love it. Oh, oh, fish on, fish on. Oh, hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh, that's a good one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Spotlight. That's a good fish. That's a good fish, guys. Oh, 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 oh. Yes, another red. Oh man, I love the fight. I'm telling you, parallel to the mangrovers. Amazing. You leave your drag a little loose so it doesn't break you off. 10-pound braid, 20-pound mono. I do a surgeon knot. Come. There we go. Easy. Here we go. Easy. Oh yeah, that's a beast. That's a beast. Oh yeah. Trying to go to mangrovers, but nobody. Beautiful. God, that's a beautiful fish. Look at that, guys. I'm telling you. Working the mangroves parallel. What a day. What a day. Oh no. He's not ready. He's not ready yet. Oi. Come on, baby. It's okay. I'm gonna let you go. Just come. There we go. The head of the water and into the net, baby. Guys, this is our 5th redfish of today. Another monster. Wow, this is incredible. This is incredible, guys. Unbelievable. Oh man, wow. That's all I can say. Wow. And we're spot locked. Yes, baby, yes. Yes, baby. Alright, let's keep you in the water. Oh man, this is unbelievable, guys. Oh, that's heavy. Oh yes. Beast. This is a beast, guys. Another beast. Oh my god, that's heavier actually than the last one. Oh wow. This is a, holy crap. This is, what is it? 8.5 pounds. Right on the side of the mouth. There we go. Slam Shady off. And here we go. Look at this beast. I love it. Let's measure him real quick. All right. Keep him in the water in the meantime. It's a big boy, so we gotta keep him nice and well, kicking. Yep, here we go. We don't want to stress the fish. Look at this beautiful, beautiful fish, guys. Incredible. Wow. Yep, let him relax. Incredible. I love it. Yep, he's ready. He's kicking. Big boy. The other one was 26. I know you're ready. Oh man, almost 10 pounds. We have exactly 30 pinch tail. 10 pounds, 30-inch redfish. Gotta love it, guys. Gotta love it. 30-inch. Here we go, baby. Oh man, a beast, a beast. I love it. I love it. Oh yeah, you're ready. You're ready, baby. We're gonna let you go. We're gonna let you go. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we did it. Yes, we're gonna continue fishing. I got the challenge. Hashtag challenge yourself. I challenge myself. I wanted to catch a redfish and a snook or snook, and I caught both. 5 redfish, 1 snook, and I'm telling you guys, that 30-incher and a 26-incher, what a fight. I love it. I love when everything works. You know, you do your work, you do your homework, you study everything, you learn, you keep learning, and it pays off. It feels so great. So I'm glad you guys joined it with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We're gonna keep on fishing. Please hit the subscribe button. I appreciate you guys watching, tuning in, and I will see you on the next video. Yeah, buddy, we keep on fishing. Yes, baby, let's go.